Handa ang Special Action Force ng PNP na paputukan ang kampo ni Senator Trillanes kung nanlaban sila kahapon. Ipinaliwanag ng mga operatiba ang taktika na binabatikos naman na overkill ng iba. Bumuwesto sila ng sabay-sabay at pinalibutan ang hotel. Dala ang V-150 na tangke. 2 oras lang ang ibinigay sa elite team ng Special Action Force ng PNP at ng Combat and Service Support Brigade ng Marines para pagplanuhan ang paglusog sa Manila Peninsula Hotel kahapon. Ang mga commander on the ground, si Brigadier General Jonathan Martin ng Marines at Chief Superintendent Leocadio Santiago ng SAF. Ang deadline, bago magtakip silim. Ang taktikang ginamit, shock at determinasyon.
Until our commanders tell us to stop the attack, then we will stop, but not until then.
500 rounds mula sa machine gun ang pinaputok sa pintuan ng hotel bilang pasimula ng paglusog. Nakalalamang kasi sa pwesto ang mga sundalong Magdalo na nasa balkonahe sa itaas ng lobby.
To break the glass, to break the door, and to neutralize those on the
Shatterproof at napakakapal ng salamin ng pinto kaya hindi rin nabasag. Dahil naghahabol sa oras, pinasagasaan na ito sa V-150. Tiniyak din na umaandar ang aircon para mas maging epektibo ang tear gas.
This was the cue that they did not think that we will do. The tear gas did stop them, forced them to surrender.
Dinaan na sa santong paspasan ng hindi na umubra ang usapan.
All the time, while they're saying that they're going out to these people that's talking with us tactically, they are in the media doing the pronouncement and everything, challenging everything. So where's the sincerity on that?
Ang mga staff na bihasa sa close quarter battle ang pinalusob sa second floor. Sabi nila, handa silang paputukan sina Trillanes.
Were you really ready to kill the targets?
The rules of engagement there was to fire really far back. That's the basic instruction given to us by our superiors there. If they resist, then of course we have to do a job. They will try to shoot us. But if they surrender, then nothing's going to happen. Just like what happened
The men are ready to do response to any force that they will be facing.
Napintasan man sila, ang mahalaga, walang dugong dumanak sa ginawang operasyon.